Are you craving the sweet satisfaction of dessert without the guilt that often accompanies it? Healthy Desserts, Guilt-Free Indulgences is your gateway to a world of delectable treats that not only tantalize your taste buds but also align with your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the secrets of creating desserts that are both delicious and nutritious, leaving you eager to enjoy these guilt-free indulgences. 1. The dessert dilemma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the dilemma of desserts, where cravings often clash with health goals. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that these healthy desserts hold the key to a sweet and nutritious compromise. 2. Understanding healthy desserts. Begin by defining what healthy desserts are and why they are essential for mindful eating. Discuss the concept of moderation and using wholesome ingredients to craft delightful treats. 3. Smart ingredient choices. Delve into the smart ingredient choices that form the foundation of healthy desserts. Emphasize the use of whole grains, natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup, and nutrient-rich options like nuts and seeds. 4. Reducing added sugars. Discuss strategies for reducing added sugars in desserts while preserving their sweetness. Share tips on using ripe fruits, spices, and extracts to enhance flavor naturally. 5. Innovative baking techniques. Explore innovative baking and cooking techniques that make desserts healthier. Highlight methods like using Greek yogurt or applesauce as a replacement for fats and reducing the use of butter and oils. 6. Balanced portions. Emphasize the importance of balanced portions when enjoying healthy desserts. Offer portion control tips and encourage savoring smaller servings to satisfy cravings without overindulging. 7. No bacon raw desserts. Share the world of no bacon raw desserts that are not only convenient but also packed with nutrients. Provide recipes for energy bites, chia pudding, and fruit sorbets. 8. The long-term dessert journey. Conclude with the idea that healthy desserts aren't just a fleeting trend, they're a lifelong commitment to enjoying sweet treats while prioritizing health. Encourage readers to embrace these guilt-free indulgences as part of their regular eating habits. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of crafting healthy desserts but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their dietary routines for guilt-free indulgences. Healthy Desserts, Guilt-Free Indulgences is a journey into a world of sweetness and nourishment, where every bite becomes a step toward a more balanced and delicious life. So, let's embark on this dessert adventure and discover the remarkable benefits of enjoying treats that satisfy your sweet tooth while aligning with your commitment to a healthier you. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.